So yes, a fresh week, a fresh Monday, and wishing everyone a good week ahead. And I got off to a good start this week, already sitting with an MTM profit of 7,000. Bank Nifty and Nifty both open with a gap up, and they've sustained so far. So the range has been expanding since the start, and a further range expansion would put us in a trouble. So let us see how today goes. It's 12:22 and there's nothing significant to talk about honestly because Bank Nifty is just going up and down within a range, and since it is going in a range we have started to get more profits thanks to the theta decay. So it's calm, but I guess if this particular candle whose low is 37,523 is broken, then there might be further downside. And obviously, if there is a range expansion on the downside, we'd be shifting the puts down, and if there is a range expansion on the upside, we'd be shifting the calls up. So far it's good, and we are sitting with an MTM profit of 16,000. So as expected, this particular support line of 37 around 37,520 is broken, and after that it couldn't break further. I guess there are a lot of put options being written around 37,500. So let's go to the option chain and see if that's true. I'm gonna log into Sensible with Zerodha. Go straight to the yeah. So yeah, open interest. So Bank Nifty weekly, and yes, as expected, a lot of put option have been written around 37,500, and call options as well. Wow, a lot of straddle been written at 37,600 today. 1.1 million put options and around a million call options being written. And look at the straddles being written at 37,500, like step to step equal 1.9 1.9. So probably I guess today to continue as a range bound day, but let us see. It's just around 1 hour for the markets to close, and today is very boring day, but it doesn't matter as long as you're making money, and we've crossed 25,000 mark. Today is a very good day, a very good day. It's completely range bound. After hitting a high at 11 o'clock, it has not been breached, and the low at 9:15 has also been not breached. So far, so good, and I'm not expecting somebody to spoil the party in the next 1 hour. So we'll see. So back again, I'm gonna exit. Just 2 minutes to go for the markets to close. yes, it's done. So we'll see. Yeah, so today we ended the day with a profit of 27,000, and I'd say this is a massive profit, especially taking into consideration today is a Monday. There was heavy decay all the way from the start till the end, and today was a great day. So thank you for joining me. This is Vivek from the Money Machine signing off. See you in another video. Bye bye. Take care.